So they've all gone to the farm, and I'm now left. I'm now left to do the cooking. Wow. So you see the yellow cassava. There's some amazing dip over here. Wow. Hello brothers, sisters, how y'all doing? This your boy Cookie with Sindako, and I'm back again. Yeah, so whilst working in the farm, we had to prepare some lunch. So we're done with our food, and we are going to sit under the cuckoo farm to eat. Anyway, the whole family, and the lunch that we prepared was exceptional. We cooked some typical local farm food, which is cassava and plantain and PC with cocoyam leaves and some cocoa with red oil. Man, this is the most organic, authentic, indigenous local food we have in Ghana. The typical MPC, everything from nature. Hey, Papa, oh, general dread. And one beautiful thing is that we got all these ingredients from the farm. Have you seen the beauty of being a farmer? Man, there's no way you will die of hunger. Aze, let's do this, Rokodo. Yeah, so if today is your first time watching, kindly share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother, Rokodo. Oh yeah, so we came to the farm, and it's about time to do the lunch and the cookings. Here's the setup and the building where they cook and they store everything over here. So, but I'm a chief chef. What you for day? Come show. So I'm song. Or did I say to that? It's a song. Okay, now I never been in a baby. Yeah, boss. It was all good, but he was okay. It's no pedestrian. Okay, so these are settings, and as I said, the local settings, and we're about to cook. We brought some plantain, and then I'm going to bring some cassava as well from the farms. So I'm still going on anyway. These folks are the workers over here, and Uncle B over there. Yeah. So this is the chaff or central. That's what we're using to light up. So this is one of the reasons why palm tree has that beneficial. Okay, so we're using this to set fire. So the water from the Wellington boot is from the river that we crossed when coming to the farm this morning. If you've not seen that video, kindly check it out and see what our farmers go through before they bring us food to the cities. And one funny thing is that there's no place to stop and I wait for the rain to stop. Okay, there's no buildings, there's no shade. You can't be under the tree because we get wet. So it's better you move on until you get home. And that's what we are doing. Yeah. So we'll be doing some PC, and I have our plantain and cassava over here. Okay, it's a chef and Papa, not tonight, So one thing about farm life is that there's no lady or woman to eat for you. Boys, you organize yourself, then man, all cuddle. Kaku,
for the sake of my people, I am friend Kaku.
Yeah,
we are friend. What's no them original one?
Yeah,
man, I'm Shamazi.
Yeah, okay. Do you remember Uncle B? He took me to the sea as a fisherman and has now brought me to the farm as a farmer. Wow. So today I'm taking you to one of the biggest cocoa farms we have in Central Region. Man, 61 acres of cocoa farm owned by a Boga Lee. Boga Cooper Lee. Yeah, Uncle B. Yeah. He has a canoe that goes deep sea and catches shark and big fish. If you haven't seen the video that I interviewed the seaman, please check it out on the page or channel. You will love it. And to know how far I'm going, some of them kind of phenomenal.
Hey, you're good, Chipao.
Roughly, how many hours am I doing?
Hey, 2 days.
And some more good. And some 2 days. And some more could do. Ha!
You're 130 miles.
As a farmer, what is called farming is something that you never see. Don't come back to part of bois because there's food always in your farmyard. Gone are the days, farmers they were just giving birth. They know that when you have more children, the children can come and support you or help you in your farm to weed. And the banchi be yellow. Answer.
Yeah, banchi body.
Hey, your banchi body.
No. Oh, so who one for now? Lenin to say what the body.
But because Odio brothers in China.
Debbie. You woman colors and
I don't know. I mean that. At Banchani, you have Banchi body. Wow.
A piano,
a yellow. Man, so this cassava here is different. It's called like it's mixed. They have the white one, the yellowish one. So after boiling it will turn yellow. Like you see, cassava plantain. Cassava plantain. Wow. This is the reason why I have to go to the villages and learn something new. Anyway, and the first time hearing something like this, banchi broad here. So about to boil our plantain and the cassava together. Okay, so we are washing it. Anyway, he's peeling it and wash over here. You see how it's being done? It's divided into two. So we have our cocoyam leaves over here. That's what we're using for the dip or the sauce, yeah? Okay.
So this one.
Yeah. Adding some local sauce to it. Yeah, so we're about to add our salted fish or shark on top. Anyway. So basically, so they've all gone to the farm, and I'm now left. I'm now left to do the cooking. Anyway, so this is our salted fish, okako. So sometimes, or at times, the fire will be consuming the wood. Okay, so you have to set in more. The boiling can take place. Yeah. So we're about to boil our pepper. Okay, and I'll be using the plantain leaves to wrap the pepper. So basically, I don't want him to be using the rubber. So we'll be using the plantain leaves. I know you are.
Miss one.
Okay, miss one. Miss one. Okay. Okay, I'm dry. I read. I'm dry. Change. Okay, miss one. Okay. Very spicy. This pepper. Obey easy. Yeah. So as I said, this trip, I'm trying my best to do the do away of boiling of plastic, with the rubber and everything. So amazing with the plantain leaves. But let me some question now. One of the music. Now I am saying I'm in Schneider Manana. And I have to say that I doing
we know
Haban or tomorrow. And on ye and here Philia or Haben about Haben and Mono. Wow. What one will be? Okay. I'm around. A pipe is like around. By the around. I tell them what one of mine to know. Because I don't have fancy, but we have one on today. By the random be. I got away. Agabe. What's Cocoa Diana? So when you know the prick of when I ever heard it. Man, what's one try? This is coming them. Wow. I mean, some on Kukumun Suno, but you're female about. They ask Kukuman. Kaku is the let me try this. Let me try this. Let me try this.
Say you see him.
You for the year, you for no.
I had a she.
Man, I've tried this. I'm telling you, Brian Shadi. Wow.
Actually, no, Benyon.
Wow. Man, I've drank it too. Man, I believe I keep saying most of this stuff is mindset anyway. And as they say, you know, it's the leaves. Because of the leaves, that's why the colors change. So I'm hoping for a better. So because when I went to Jamaica, I drank from the stream, from the rock, and until I believe say the same thing. Man, see me happy that I'm on top of tonight. Boy, but pay now I'm on. It's a mechanic. I look up and try it. Want me? No, I want me to add it. Yellow CC for corner. So it's not ready, and we have something like this. Wow! So you see the yellow cassava, amazing. So we start our grinding of the pepper. We grind everything like this. We are roasting some of the salted meat, and we grind it. I ate tomatoes. Wow. Okay. We're roasting our tomatoes also. So we are dishing our dip here, or the sauce, and that is the salted shark right here. So this is what we'll be using. We're pouring the cassava on, okay, and the plantain. So before it goes on the fire, so that it softens it and kills all the bacteria, the germs. And now the oil. There's some amazing dip over here. Oh. Yeah, so everything goes in here. So we're done with our food, and we are going to sit under the cocoa farm to eat. Anyway, the whole family. Anyway, all caught up. Amazingly amazing. So I start a new one. After a long day, this is what they have as lunch. It's so delicious as well. What's in so many banchu? Two so banchu one and that bomodo. That would do. It's an amazing reception over here. I'm really enjoying myself, and man, it's always fun and love to dine with the locals hand to hand. I say any time of the day, any day. I'll call them. So if this is the first time watching, kindly subscribe, hope you like the video. Man, local settings, I'll call them. Let's do this again for Shazam Manezo. I'm out.
I want to forget my problems. I want to forget my sorrow. Waiting I go do, I go pay you tomorrow.